I'm gonna change up the scene. Black man playing in the MLBs. Many won't want me in the league, but no matter how they hate, I gotta live what I believe.
Jackie Robinson, you helped to segregate Major League Baseball by being the first African American to play the sport.
Well, you're right about one thing, young man. I did help to segregate Major League Baseball, but I wasn't the first African American to play the sport.
Huh? Oh man, you know what? I always read about how you were a great baseball player and all that, but I never knew you were a great comedian. I mean, you really had me going with that whole I wasn't the first African American.
Oh no, young man. I'm actually quite serious. The first African American to play Major League Baseball is a man by the name of Moses Walker, way back in 1884. My contribution was that, despite all the discrimination I faced, I still showed courage and pride on the baseball field. But a lot of that would have not been possible without the encouragement of great friends like Grant Rickey. You see, young man, many important events in Black history never would have happened without community support. Actually, I'll let my friend Henry explain a little bit more about that.
Who's Henry?
Henry Box Brown, yeah, that's what they're calling now. Had to mail myself in the box just to get to freedom. I was desperate, y'all, never tried this at home, but Henry Brown did it to escape the plantation. Henry Box Brown, yeah, I'm on the road now, escaping from the box I was originally in. As a magician, became an inspiration.